I'm Allison. I guide people to declutter their homes and lives for better living, selling, packing, and moving. And one of the things I find out is that if you're struggling on how to figure out how to declutter, get yourself organized, or even motivating yourself, that setting goals can really help. So stay tuned to learn how. Start by just narrowing it down to one area that you're going to focus on. So let's, for this exercise, choose your closet. When you go into your closet, how do you want your space to look after you've decluttered, cleaned, and organized the space? Write down 3 to 5 adjectives, whatever first comes to your mind. If you're taking longer than 30 seconds to do this, you're overcomplicating it. The next step is to just spend about 30 seconds thinking about how you want to feel after it's done. When you walk into that space, when it's nice and neat and orderly, how do you want to feel when you are interacting with the items that are there? Write down again 3 to 5 adjectives and don't spend more than 30 seconds. Keep those adjectives that you've written down, because when you're decluttering, those adjectives can be really helpful for you to set boundaries to help you figure out what you want to keep and what you want to get rid of. Your next and last step is to schedule a time that you're going to declutter that space. I want you to pick the day of the week, the time that you're going to start, and also, just as importantly, the time that you're going to finish. Do not leave it open-ended, and do not give yourself 4 hours if you're the type of person who can barely last 15 minutes. If all you can do is 15 minutes, 15 minutes is fantastic. It's way more than no minutes. So pat yourself on the back for doing whatever the work that you can do for the time, energy, and any other limits that you have, and keep at it. You can do this. If you're looking to get and stay organized, but you just haven't managed to be able to do it on your own, that's okay, and that's totally normal. It just usually means you need a little bit more support and guidance than you've been getting, which is why I've created my program. Check in the link below and you will find that this program is designed to either get your house ready to put on the market to sell fast and for top dollar, or to just make it look like it is. Either way, it's a great program that allows you to be in control at your pace with the guidance and support that you need and deserve. Don't wait, check it out today.